Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be going over how to actually keep people watching on your TikTok Shop Live. So now when it comes to getting people to keep watching, it really helps if you choose products where there needs to be explanations involved. So I've live streamed a variety of products and I've live streamed for about 6 months now, and I've averaged anywhere from about like $1,000 to $2,000 per month, which is, not really compared to like the tens of thousands that people are making, but I'm pretty happy with it. Now, with keeping people to actually stay watching on your live stream, product selection is really key. So the product selection, if you kind of compare the two, are people going to have more questions about a phone, right? Or are they going to have more questions about, let's say, a glass of water? So, product selection, actually having a product that requires explanation. The products that I've live streamed the most success with and made thousands of dollars with, they're usually products where people tend to ask questions about. So I've live streamed like vacuum cleaners, I've live streamed TV backlights, security cameras, and people ask questions about those. And it really helps with the engagement where as long as people are asking questions, they're technically staying longer on your live stream. So think about the nature of your product. Is what you're live streaming actually going to require a lot of questions? Is what you're live streaming actually require a live stream? Sometimes people live stream things that, just aren't meant to be on a live stream. It's not as appealing when the product that basically doesn't sell itself and there's no engagement occurring just because people don't have questions about the product. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.